Yeah, yeah. Yo. Yeah. Rain started falling around 10:30. Old screen door squeaking in the summer wind. Radio humming some old familiar tune, and that sound rolling softly like rain on a tin roof. There's a bottle on the table and a picture in a frame. Funny how memories still answer to your name. Lightning in the distance, thunder rolling through, and everything slows down with the rain on a tin roof. Ain't it funny how some things heal and some things don't? With rain on a tin roof. Woo! Granddad's old Bible, Mama's front porch swing, ghost of conversations and all those little things. I swear I hear laughter when the wind cuts loose, floating through the darkness with rain on a tin roof. And I don't need forever, I don't need much, just a little peace and the ones I love. Funny how silence can say enough. Rain on a tin roof and nowhere to go, nothing but the night and the stories we know. Lord, life sounds sweeter with rain on a tin roof. Maybe heaven ain't so far away. Maybe it sounds like this at the end of the day. No neon lights, no fortune or fame, just peace in the storm and somebody saying your name.